668 Paulson. So we already have desert landscaping. This is in a community that's been very successful for us. Landscape cleanup, that's something we do on all the properties. It's nice that although it's desert landscaping, it does have some greenery that's not super high maintenance. Also, the houses don't feel super close together. So of course, Reiki. This also has a garage door and a garage side door. That light's oddly dirty, so I would say clean it. It's, very easy to do. This is a huge room. It feels very large to me, and we need to replace these blinds. So it's 3 blinds in this room, and we need a shower rod in here. Very beautiful. We need to replace, rekey that garage side door as well as this door. Possibly junk this fridge. Get new verticals. 4 blinds in this room. Beautiful stone counters, an undermount sink, and a gooseneck faucet. The fridge looks a little dated to me, but it matches the existing white appliances. So, it's nice that we already have the concrete in place. And again, desert landscaping with some greenery, which makes it very pretty, but it's not super high maintenance stuff. Plus, let's see, it's morning right now, and you can see the sun doesn't beat on the yard and there's not full sun coverage, so we don't really need a patio cover. Right now I'm on the north side of the property, so we're going to have afternoon and evening shade. Okay. Smoke detector, little closet, some linen closets, washer and dryer are here, right off of, okay, there's no light in there. I'd say maybe replace this just because it's inexpensive to replace and it's like the only thing that looks dated in this property. So, new blinds, flooring looks great, really high baseboards, wall-to-wall closets that don't slide very well. Again, that's an easy fix. We don't need a blind in here. Maybe replace that drain ring with $65. Very small investment. Beautiful stone counters. Cabinets have already been painted. There's already a towel bar, so not a lot needs to be done.